Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about Verychat, how to sell Verychat token to Naira or USDT. So how can one sell it? That is the question I have been receiving, and in this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about it, and I'm going to walking you guys through the step by step on how it's been done and how you can get it done correctly and successfully. Okay, because if done wrongly, you may end up losing your Verychat token. So therefore, watch this video from beginning to the end so that you will learn and understand how to sell your Verychat token. Okay, before proceed with this video, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, or you are hearing my voice for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I do here on my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas, and updates on daily basis. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, or you are hearing my voice for the first time, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be notified whenever I release new updates like this. And then at the end of this video, if you enjoy videos like this and you want more updates, you can check the link in the comment section of this video below to join my WhatsApp group. Okay, so let's get started. But before we start, I would love to lay a disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and tutorial purpose only and not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice or guarantee results. So therefore, you are always advised to make your own research before using any platform. So let's get started. Now, talking about selling of Verychat. Before you think of selling of your Verychat token, here are the things you need to take note of. First, do you have the node? Do you have the very node? Do you have it? It is the very node that accumulates the sellable token, the one that you can sell. Now, this your balance you are seeing on the screen cannot be sold. Do you understand? The one you can sell is only the one you get from the Verychat mining node. So you can see how that one look like. So you can see it. So that is it. So when you tap on this place here, it will take you to where you are mining and accumulating that one. Okay, so that is the one that can be sold, and you can claim it every 24 hours, and then it will be transferred to your wallet. Now, when it is transferred to your wallet, that is where you can now make use of the transfer option. Now, to set this Verychat node now, you have to go to wallet, click on wallet. So when you click on wallet, if you have not created your own wallet, you will be asked to create your own wallet. So when you create your own wallet, that is when you can now carry out transaction activity. You can decide to sell or buy from other users. Do you understand? So that is how it's being done. But before that can happen, is either you have somebody who is buying or you belong to their WhatsApp group. So when you come to your wallet, you will see the option of send, you see the option of receive, and then you see the option of vary. So now this vary is the one that you can now sell. This is the token, and this is the one you get from the Verychat node mining directly. So now if you don't have that node, you can easily get that node when you invite 32 people, 32 active people. After 2 weeks, they may decide to give you the node, and then when they give you the node, they will ask you to do your KYC, and then when you do your KYC, the node, you can now mine the node. Now, talking about the selling, to sell now, if you want to sell, is either you are in their P2P WhatsApp platform, that's where you can now sell it directly to other buyers, and then what they will provide you with either their own receiving address, or either they give you their username to transfer the token to. So when you are sending the token to them, you will use the send button. So when you click on the send button, you can choose either with their wallet address or their chat ID or their username. So you place it there, and then you can now proceed with the amount you want to send to the person. So when you are now sending it to the person will give you the Naira based on the market, on the current market price. However, if you want to sell, I'm also buying. So you can also come to my Telegram. For those of you who are in my WhatsApp community and the rest of them. You can also decide to reach out to me on Telegram and I will buy at the market price. So I've been buying. Or better still, you can still message my admin, Boss. For those of you who are in my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, you can still reach out to Boss either on WhatsApp or Telegram, and then you reach out to her with the word Verychat, and then she will also buy it from you. Or better still, you can also sell it to me on Telegram, on my Telegram DM. But if you are already in the WhatsApp P2P platform, me personally, I don't have access to the link because the group is not mine. So it is owned by one of their agents, and that is where people trade it. Okay, so if you want to sell, you can sell to me, or you can sell to Boss, or you can still sell it in the WhatsApp P2P platform at the same price if you are there. But if you are not there, then you can reach out to me on Telegram and sell to me, or reach out to my admin Boss on WhatsApp or Telegram and still sell to her. So that is how to sell your Verychat token. And like I said earlier, do take note that it is only this one here in your wallet you can sell. If you check your wallet and you don't have this very here, it means you don't have anything to sell. But if you have, then you know that you have something to sell. So this is how to sell very token in 2026. Thank you for watching this video. And then don't forget, there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with others, because a lot of you have been making research. How can I sell my Verychat token? How can I sell my Verychat token? And this is a complete tutorial on how it's being done. So share this video, and don't forget to ask any question. If you have any question in regards to this, you can also share your own personal experiences and opinion in the comment section of this video below. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparky.